Hey, it's Wim. Just creating a quick video from my home office, as you can see. Today I want to paint a picture between the classic way of working in ConnectWise and an alternate method using lean concepts like Agile and Kanban. So with ConnectWise, people have to work from a list of tickets or their calendar. If you go through a ticket view, such as on your Today page and going through all tickets, or your project or service ticket tabs here, or through your like a ticket search or a service board, the problem is the default columns they're going to be wrong. They're too wide. There's no good default sort on this. It's really hard to control across your team. Everyone ends up having different views, either in the drop downs here, they're creating their own views, customizing their columns. It's all different. None of these are really useful to sort on. You can sort by your priority, sure, but if everything is the same color, then that doesn't help much. Sorting by age doesn't really say what they should work on next. Should they filter by their own tickets or by a particular client? They're really left up to their own devices on this. The other way, which both ConnectWise and many consultants would recommend, is using the dispatch features with your calendar. So either having everyone schedule their own tickets or their manager or a dispatch person. The problem with this is that a lot of waste is introduced because when you don't complete it on time, you have to reschedule. Things get shuffled around and bumped every day. So this only works with a really good dispatch person and the process that they work from. And then when they're gone or they quit or they leave on vacation, then there's a big gap. So a more agile work method uses Kanban boards. You can read about this in the Phoenix Project book, which I highly recommend that everyone buy for their teams. So with the Kanban method, the team should all work from the same Kanban board, so it all looks the same. And the idea is that your work is a constant stream from left to right. It's actually a lot like a pipeline. And the idea is, how do you get more flow through that pipe or that water or that oil or gas, whatever is going through there. So the team works together to focus on getting more work through the system. The best way to get more water out of a pipe is not to pour more in to increase the pressure, but let the current water flow out the other end by removing blockages, removing waste, and increasing the flow. So the work moves, as I mentioned, from left to right, but the team should look from right to left to see what can be moved forward first. When they're ready to pull something from the previous column, they should grab from the top of the column if possible, or something that has already been started or neglected. As required, management can move tickets up and down in the column to influence what the team will work on next, as I'm showing you here. Tickets with issues, such as neglected, overdue, over budget, not moving forward, etc. are visualized, much like on a heat map. You can see that here there's some tickets that there's a ticket unable to log into the CSS, has been in progress for 1 week. If I look at some other boards, they have different visualizations. So here's a needs attention column. It's got the last time entry was 1 month ago, the last note was 1 month ago, and it's been done yet status for 6 days. Daily huddles are focused on moving work forward and engaging team members or management to resolve anything slowing down work. And then after the huddle, they can go and resolve that issue. So as you decrease the amount of work stuck in the system, work flows through much quicker, and thus SLA performance is naturally improved. So even without complex KPIs and SLA metrics and dashboards and such, they're going to improve, and clients will be happier. So here's 3 examples showing some of this. This one is a swim lane for each ConnectWise board. So I have a change service board and a help desk board. There's a priorities board. So priorities for today by person. This could be handy in a huddle. So nobody assigned. There's tickets here that are in progress, needs attention. So that should definitely be looked at the top of your huddle. Then for each person, they have their own swim lane. So we can see that these people actually have too much in progress. This person has a needs attention. Ideally, everyone should be working on just 1 ticket at a time, not 4, 5, 6 or more tickets. So as we decrease the amount of tickets being worked on, they're going to get done quicker and done better as well. They're not multitasking. And then finally, here's a team board. So showing tickets for, it's about a half dozen people in this team. All their tickets by the board. So there's a change board, help desk, and a project board. I'll quickly step you through the edit screen on our Kanban product here. So there's the name of the board, the description of what's going on. It's being shown. The swim lane field selection. The people that are shown. So we have James, Joseph, Sheila, Tara, and these training users. Which boards, and then the mappings from the statuses to the columns. So the waiting column has waiting client, third party, and waiting customer. And then our visualization settings for the neglected work. That's it. Let me know in the comment section or email or message to the website what you think of this and if this was useful. Thanks, and make it a great day.